Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I belong to a really wonderful Facebook group called Wig Slayers, and I'm going to put their link in the description box. Very vibrant, very active, very supportive group of women all over who love and wear, and in some cases even depend on wigs. So the founder of the group, Nicole Sanders, does an amazing job, and she introduced a sale on Waba Hair and Beauty Supply. They're located in Arizona. A series of wigs from the Outre Melted Hairline series, and that's what I want to introduce today. These were 3 units from Outre's Melted Hairline Swirlista line, and I picked up all 3 styles. I'm going to share one of them with you today. Today we're going to review Swirlista number 104, and she is absolutely gorgeous. I love the simple styling of her, and I really love this length. I have to say shout out to Outre. I'm adoring the box and the way it's presented and comes to you. You open it up, there's this tissue here. Can I do this and hold the box? I mean, it just feels like a gift. And you have to know that pretty girls swirl. Don't take my word for it. It's on the box. I am going to read the back of this box. It's probably also on the style card or the stock card as well, as it is really nice stock card. But I wanted to know more about the Swirlista line, and let me share this with you. You have perfected hand-tied lace part, hairline, and sideburns. The beauty is in the details. We don't play about hair, and we know that you don't either. Everything needs to be right, from how your hairline is plucked to how you define every swoop and swirl of your baby hairs. So we elevated our melted hairline features, and we created Swirlista, made to melt even better. Now, skirt! Pump the brakes there, because I have for a long time sung the praises of the Outre melted hairline, and so now you're all telling me it's even better. More lace for you to finesse and swirl your baby hairs your way. Perfected hand-tied lace part, hairline, and sideburns to offer more space to finesse your baby hairs, pre-plucked with precision, supernatural shape and density, and a 5-inch deep C-shaped parting. Beautiful blending and easy installs because you have a pre-attached wide elastic band for glueless installs. Thank you! Redesigned Comfort Fit ear contour, and that's always the hardest part for me, is to get that ear right. And the soft HD transparent lace that, in my opinion, Outre has always been famous for. And Swirlista 104 is 20 inches, and here are the fashion colors. I said earlier that I picked up 3 of these, and one of them, today's, is the kind of mid-length one, and the other 2 are longer. The other 2 I chose in more fashion colors, but I wanted to go down to the bare basics on this one. So I picked her up in good old 1B, so that I can ensure that she would be one I would wear often. You ready for this? Now, you tell me that isn't one of the most gorgeous hairlines. Look at that transparent lace. Look at that part. These baby hairs. Now, I have not been much of a baby hair person, but I just can't resist this one. So we're going to see what we're going to do in terms of baby hairs. But because this is so beautifully plucked, you probably don't even need the baby hairs on this. Just let that, just slick that down and let it do its thing. Gorgeous. sheen on that. It feels like Christmas. Elastic band. Inside looks dense, but very, very, very stretchy. So we're going to take the Beloise Lace Tint Mousse. I don't know what shade I wear, but if you go to the website or you purchase this, maybe it might be on Amazon, you'll find a selection of colors, and they do have really nice colors to match your skin. So I'm going to go ahead and tint the lace first. And I just get a few good dollops on here. I'm very unceremonious about this. But just go in here, tint this lace. And I'm going to put the blow dryer on it, and we'll be back. Want to comb her out thoroughly because I didn't want to lose this swirl pattern. And I could really see, and you can see I just utilized a little, just a few of the baby hairs, but I can really see in the construction of this how if you want to do the more flamboyant baby hairs, you can. It just offers more flexibility. I really like that. I'm crazy about the color. I'm not even gonna go there. I need more 1B wigs in my life, so I'm really liking it. And this length, I trimmed it down a little bit. Just trimmed it down just a little bit, but I really love the length. And guys, oh, the hairline, the part, everything, absolutely loving. Okay, Swirlista 104, fantastic. Now I have 2 more in the series that I will be reviewing over time, so please stick with me. And they're in some really nice fashion colors too, so I'm really looking forward to sharing those with you. Drop me a line. Let me know what you think. Always love your comments, guys. And check out the Outre Swirlista line. Say that 5 times fast. And I think you won't be disappointed. Thanks again so much for joining me. Stay blessed.